Hello, I'm Dr. Angelo Landricina, aka DermAngelo, board-certified dermatologist, skincare enthusiast, and professional package receiver. Now, if you follow me on other social media, which you should be, make sure you're following on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, etc., all at DermAngelo. You will know that I just went on a really long trip to Paris. It was a terrific trip, but in the meanwhile, I was receiving a lot of mail back here. Yes, one of the things that they never tell you about being a content creator is that it involves a lot of mail in the form of PR or gifted product. I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you all what I get in PR and gifting in a month. Now, keep in mind, I actually did turn down a lot of stuff. These are things that arrived basically of their own volition or that I had previously said yes to. And this is excluding anything that I would be receiving for paid work. So this is all just gifted product. If there's anything that you want a review on that you see in today's video, make sure that you leave a comment down below and like this video. First up, we have a brand that I've actually seen a lot of people talking about on social. This is Bioma. It's available at Target, so it's really accessible. I took a quick look at their website and I'm actually really intrigued. It looks like they were recently started during the pandemic and that the main focus is on skin barrier health and being gentle to the skin, which you know I'm all about. Also, they seem to be really eco-conscious. So apparently all of the packaging is designed to be fully and easily recyclable. All the packaging is square to ship easier in smaller boxes, and all of it is also refillable. So interested to try these. Next, I got a trio of masks from Peach and Lily. I'm actually a big fan of Peach and Lily. I recently started using some of their products and I feel like the approach of just having this like glowing, super hydrated skin is something that I love. Here we have a Super Reboot resurfacing mask, their pore proof perfecting clay mask, and the Overnight Star Night Cream. Let's see what these are about. Clarins sent me a refill of their Total Eye Lift, which I'm a fan of, but their Mama Teresa, my mother, is an even bigger fan. One of her favorite products right here. They also sent me their new Double Serum Eye, which looks pretty interesting. There's some depuffing ingredients in there. Got caffeine, turmeric, and this packaging is just beautiful. Kinship sent me their trio of sunscreens. I do like the Self-Reflect for people with drier skin. This is a really popular sunscreen on social. They also sent their rose version of the Self-Reflect, which I think is just rose scented, if you like that, and their new Sport SPF 60, which I'm pretty intrigued by. I love a good sweat and water resistant SPF if you like to work out outdoors. And they also sent this cool pouch, I guess, to wear while working out. Let's see if this is clash with my outfit. It does, but thank you, Kinship. Grande Cosmetics sent over a refill of their Grande Lash MD for me, and some cookies, one of which says Big Lash Energy. You may know that I am a big fan of their Grande Brow Serum. I did a video on it on Instagram. It actually worked for me. I was very surprised. The Lash Serum, I'm probably gonna give this away because it just kind of set off my ocular rosacea. I have really sensitive eyes, so this one wasn't for me, but I've heard good things. Ren sent me their new Glow and Protect Serum. I think that the focus of this is supposed to be antioxidant protection during the day, which is something that's kind of a must for me underneath my sunscreen. They've got vitamin C rich Kakadu plum in here. That's a very hot ingredient right now. This is a vegan formula. And I like Ren's focus on being clean to the planet. I think that's the more important cleanness that should be in clean beauty, but is often left out. So thank you, Ren. My friends at Tatcha, Emily, Emiliana, hello, you're hilarious, saw that I posted an empty of the rice wash. So they sent me this maxi size of it. I feel like this thing's like bigger than my head. I do really like this cleanser. I feel like this is kind of a polarizing product. It's really gentle and creamy, and it has little rice bits in it for like a gentle manual exfoliation. So definitely check it out if you haven't. My friends at Exuviance sent me their new clarifying and renewing serum. I think that they just make like really elegant products, so I'm interested to try this. They've included niacinamide, their neoglucosamine, which is kind of a plumping agent from what I understand, and licorice root extract. So this is supposed to plump, even skin tone. So thank you, Exuviance. Can we take a moment just to recognize how I match, and this was unintentional, the new Naturium Multi-Bright Tranexamic Acid 5% serum. I think it's a serum. This top is vintage Versace from the 90s, by the way. I'm really excited about this product. So Susan Yara, my good friend, my good Judy, has been saying that this is the year of tranexamic acid. And I think Naturium is like the primary brand making that. Tranexamic acid is an ingredient that acts in a different way on dark spots than a lot of the other agents that you find in dark spot treatments. And I always say it takes a team approach to really fight hyperpigmentation effectively. So in here you also have encapsulated kojic acid and alpha-arbutin for that team approach. I've already been seeing a lot of buzz about this on social, even though it just came out. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. From Alpha H, just gonna pick that up. We got their new Liquid Gold Midnight Reboot Serum with 14% glycolic acid and tripeptide 5, and the Liquid Gold Firming Eye Cream. I really like their Beauty Sleep Power Peel, so I'm interested to try these. I don't really jade roll, so, but this is cute. Kiehl's sent me for Valentine's Day this like gigantic chocolate heart that arrived broken, but it was like a cute idea. It came with a Kiehl's branded mallet and everything, and inside were products. So if these look dirty, it's because they were inside of a huge chocolate heart. Butter mask for lips, that sounds intriguing. We also got a creamy eye treatment, Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, which is like a very like hyped product. So I'm interested to try that. And also Love Luring Essence Oil. I don't know what an essence oil is, but I'm excited to try it. This is the mallet they sent. So like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe tenderize meat or something. Thank you, Kiehl's. I got a shipment of stuff from Medi-cube. I am actually a fan of their Super Cica serum. I haven't tried much else from them. I'm a little bit intrigued by this red Centella Balm. If you have any thoughts on Medi-cube, please tell me in the comments. Dear Brightly sent me their Skin Chip Moisturizer, their Liquid Cloak Vitamin C, E, and Ferulic Antioxidant Serum, and their Never Skip Broad Spectrum SPF. From what I've seen online, it looks like they're a telehealth service for retinoids, so these sound like good products to go along with any sort of retinoid regimen, if they are what they sound like. So thank you. I will be testing these out. Caudalie sent me their new Premier Crew collection, along with a Harvard sweatshirt, because apparently this was put together based on some new anti-aging research out of Harvard. They're making it sound really miraculous. Look, I love Caudalie, but I get a little bit suspicious when they're like, we found this new breakthrough that can turn back the clock at a medical institution, and the first thing that we did was go to a skincare brand. I'm excited to try it, truth be told, because it sounds like a good product. And now I can lie and say, I went to school in Boston. If you know, you know. Maylove sent me a whole suite of products. I know that a lot of people have been asking me about the Glow Maker. A lot of people say this is a dupe for SkinCeutical CE Ferulic, and now I get to be the judge of that. Okay, Allies of Skin sent me their new Molecular Bandage Recovery Balm, and they sent it in this mailer that I guess is like gauze with a bandage scissor that you have to cut through. The funny thing about this is While opening this, I legitimately like sliced open my finger. How's that for poetic justice? We love a fun mailer in this house. 10 years later. Oh, okay, so in here we have a refill of their peptides and antioxidants firming daily treatment, which I'm already a fan of, as well as their prebiotics and niacinamide pore refining booster and their new molecular barrier recovery cream balm. Love it. Thank you. This brand Glad Skin, which I think is supposed to be, kind to the microbiome and all of that, sent me a bunch of their products. What I'm really interested in is this shampoo bar for people with sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. I've never used a shampoo bar. Have you used a shampoo bar? If you have, let me know your experience in the comments. Glow Recipe sent a restock of their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is another Dermama Teresa favorite. It's a kind of like skincare makeup hybrid. I'll use this sometimes if I want to look extra glowy. Go onto the high points of your cheeks. Before, after. Ourself, which is actually quite pricey, sent me some of their products. They call themselves subtopical skincare. I don't really know what that means. I guess you can't say subdermal because they're cosmetics, but included in here are their daily dark spot intercept. So it sounds like they've patented some peptide technology on this. And I think maybe the first thing I'm going to be trying out is their lip filler. I love lip plumping products, so probably first on my list. All I could say is the packaging looks really cool. And there you have it. That's everything that I got in PR in a month, and that's actually a light month for me. If you want to see any of these products reviewed on my channel, please leave a comment down below, like this video, and make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss it when I post the review that you asked for. Until next time, ciao.